Greetings from the BSC designer team. One of the practical aspects of strategy execution is analysis of the performance data. We want to see the progress of goals and strategic initiatives, understand trends, and adjust strategy accordingly. Let's see how dashboards and BSC Designer help with these challenges. Here, we have one of the strategy scorecard templates available in our tool. It's a scorecard for cybersecurity strategy with some goals, initiatives, and KPIs. Let's switch to the Dashboard tab and review the diagrams we have. The time diagram shows how the number of critical risk events changed over time. This bar diagram combines performance data of different indicators and shows their dynamic. Some charts, like this one for medium-level risk events, are focused on a specific indicator, its current value, trend, and progress. On the Gantt chart, we can see the initiatives suggested for this strategy scorecard. And finally, we have two diagrams that list the risks, initiatives, their context, and their current status. In any strategy scorecard, we can have many dashboards. For example, in this one, we have another dashboard, Data Security Complexity Index. In this template, it focuses exclusively on the performance indicators that form a data security index. Now, let's create a new dashboard. I open the list of the dashboards and use the Add Dashboard command. By clicking on the Properties button, I can change the name of the dashboard. Let's add a new diagram. First, click the Add button, and then I need to pick the indicator from my scorecard that will be the data source for the chart. For example, I want the dashboard to show overall data, so I select the root element of the scorecard. Then, I need to select the type of the diagram to show. The properties of the diagram will change accordingly. For example, if I select Bar Diagram, the tool will suggest that I customize the time interval, select if I want to see the item's value, performance, or progress, and select the group and period for a case I want to see the aggregated data. I'm clicking OK to create the diagram. If I need to get back to the settings, I can move the cursor over to the chart and click on the gear button. Let's practice a little bit more and add another diagram. I'm clicking Add and selecting the initiative as the type of the diagram. I'm pointing it to the internal business processes perspective, and in the list of the initiatives, I want to see their progress as measured by the aligned KPI and their current status. The initiatives in this strategy scorecard have some start dates, progress, and dependency between them. Let's add the Gantt chart to visualize all this data. I click the Add button, select root item of the scorecard as the data source, select Gantt chart as the type of the diagram, and the diagram was added to the dashboard. Finally, let's add some diagrams that will focus exclusively on some important indicators. I click on the Add button, select Reduce Potential Financial Damage from Data Breach as a source, and select KPI as a type of the diagram. Repeating the steps for the Mitigate Data Security and Data Protection Risks goal. The Add button, selecting the item, and selecting KPI as the type of the diagram. Finally, let's add a gauge diagram. Clicking the Add button, selecting Cost of Customer Churn, selecting Gauge as the type of the diagram. Now, I need to rearrange diagrams on the dashboard so that everything fits well. What if we need to use this dashboard in the presentation of a strategic plan? I can click on the Properties button and export it as a picture file. Some stakeholders prefer to see live data directly in the software. In this case, I can click on the Link button and generate a direct link to this dashboard for my colleagues. If you plan to use the same layout of the charts in many scorecards, then click the Save as Template button. A new dashboard template will be added to the list of the dashboards. That's how the dashboards work in BSC Designer. As always, our customer support team will be happy to answer your questions.